In this part of the course, let's make an interactive furniture replacement options feature. To start, create a new Blueprint class actor. I need to create 3 sphere parent components. They will contain sets of static mesh furniture. Give it names type 1, 2 and 3. In the first type, add static mesh. Give a name for static mesh. Look at the name of the asset in the scene. In the panel on the right, find the sofa asset. Select parent component and add another static mesh here. For the first set of furniture, I will use this armchair. Duplicate the static mesh with the chair to create a second one. Let's move on to type 2. Add static meshes to it in the same way. Now adjust type 3. Remove the furniture from the scene and play the actor. Go back to the actor editing. Deactivate visibility of the parent components. In order to complete the layout of furniture sets, turn off the visibility of types 2 and 3. Select an actor in a scene. In the Details panel, select the objects to be able to move them around the scene. Turn off the visibility of type 1 and turn on type 3. Let's adjust type 2 in the same way. Leave only the first set of furniture visible. Now I need to create a special collision. When a user crosses a collision, the message "press E" will appear. Also, the collision will limit the area in which you can activate the replacement of objects. Go to the actor editor. Select Default Scene Route and add the box collision component. Increase the size to make the collision larger than the furniture border. Let's move on to creating the appearing text message. In the Blueprints folder, create a new Widgets folder. Right-click User Interface. Widget Blueprint. User Widget. Give the name, press E. This is the widget that will contain the text message. Open the editor by double-clicking. This is the widget editor. From the command list on the right, drag the text object. Change the position of the text. In the Details panel, find the Content, Text tab. Right press E. Reduce the text area. Click Compile and save. Go back to the actor with living room furniture. Add a new component, Widget. On the Widget Class tab, find your widget name, press E. Fix the position of the text. Space tab. World switch to screen. Now the widget caption will always be facing the user regardless of position. Click Compile. Go to Event Graph tab. Select the collision component. Add events on component begin overlap and on component end overlap. From the components, drag the widget to the workspace. From the widget, pull the Set Visibility function. Activate New Visibility. Copy it to On Component and Overlap. And deactivate New Visibility. Delete the default events except Event Begin Play. Copy the script with New Visibility disabled. This is necessary so that the widget is not displayed until the user crosses the collision. Let's check how it works. When I approach the furniture, the message appears, but I need to adjust its height position. Let's move on to create a script for replacing furniture objects when pressing the E key. The blueprint of the static mesh furniture replacement I'll be doing in the character. Open BP first person character. Click the right mouse button and find the event on the E key in the list. From pressed, drag the Actor of Class function. It provides access to the actor components with furniture in the scene from the character blueprint. Actor of Class select an actor furniture. Now I need to check that the character intersects the furniture actor collision. The action with the replacement of objects will be done only in this case. Drag the capsule component to the workspace. Get is overlapping action function from the capsule component. The check will be for intersection with the character's capsule component. In Other, plug return value. Now I need branch. It will execute the script if the character's capsule component intersects the actor's collision. Return value plug to condition. Next, I need to add multigate node. This node one by one turns on the events connected to the outputs on the right. Connect through to multigate. On the right there are only 2 outs. Add one more because I have 3 furniture options. Activate loop to loop the execution of events. In getActor of class from return value, take type 1, type 2 and type 3. These are parent components with furniture sets. Now for each type I need to set the visibility in the order that the furniture options appear when I press the E key. The first click will make type 2 visible and turn off visibility for type 1 and 3. From type 2, get function set visibility. Activate new visibility to make type 2 furniture set visible. Now I will make invisible type 1 and 3. Connect the set visibility functions to out0. Activate propagate to children to make the visibility function work with static mesh inside parent components. Now create the same script for the next key press. This time type 3 will be visible and type 1 and 2 will be hidden. Now the last option. Connect the functions to out2. I turn the visibility of type 1 back on and turn off type 2 and 3. Don't forget to click compile. Let's check in game. Everything works, only the parent objects of the sphere have become visible. Go to Actor with Furniture. I need to remove the static mesh from each parent component. Select Parent Component. In the Details panel, clear the static mesh by clicking on the arrow. Clean all the static mesh parent components. Now everything works. Let's move on to creating a new actor for interactive replacement bars tools. Create a new actor and give a name. Add 3 sphere parent components. Now I'll add different static mesh sets of chairs to each type.
again. It's a Redskin.
Click Compile and play the actor in the scene and adjust the position of the chairs. Remove chairs assets. For convenience, you can hide some of the chairs. Then go to the actor and remove the static mesh of the sphere from each parent component. Add and adjust a collision component. Then add a widget component. In widget of class, use the widget you created earlier. Now create events for the intersection of the collision. Drag the widget to the workspace. Customize the visibility of the text widget using the setVisibility function. Don't forget to create a begin play event to hide the widget when the game starts. Go to the character blueprint and create a new event on the E key. You can copy part of your script. The structure of the script is exactly the same as I did for the furniture in the living room. Change the getActor class to the actor you created for the bar stools. Turn off the visibility of all chairs except those that will be by default.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Now set up the furniture type change or adjust you like did before. Let's test it. It works! Now create your own interactive chair replacement for the dining table. This is the final result.